today. So we right now are in town and we are going to go drive past the old Hirschlebs that has been closed for quite a long time now. They are now thinking of turning it into possibly a storaging place. But we are on our way to go quickly check it out, and I'll keep you all updated on that. Yeah, well, it's a storaging unit now, so there's nothing we can do about it. So even the Hirschlebs sign is gone. It is what it is, Jennifer. Can't do anything about it. But it really was a great place to eat. Once upon a time, you just love this place. Hey, what's up, everybody? So we just got done looking at the old Hirschlebs, and now we are on our way to Culver's to get some lunch, and then we're gonna do a little driving around town, and afterwards, gonna probably enjoy the rest of the sunny day. So I'll keep you all updated every step of the way. So how's Theo?
He's doing very good.
Good. I'm glad to hear that, Jenny. As of right now, Smiley's doing good too.
Good.
He's been clingy, off and on, off and on, off and on, off and on, but, he's doing good. He hasn't really been meowing much. So, that's a big plus. I mean, I do love him very much. I mean, I do a lot for him. And here we are. It's a good thing it's not Friday. Because on Fridays they get very busy. That's fish fry night. Hey, what's up, everyone? So I am now pulling into Culver's, getting ready to order my lunch, and then we're gonna go do a little driving around.
I know.
Welcome to Culver's. We can make fresh for you. Hi, I would like the chicken strip basket, please. Hey there, everybody. So we just got done with Culver's, grabbing lunch from there. Now we're gonna go and see if maybe we can find some trains. I'm hoping we can, but if we don't, then I guess I'm gonna have to wait until next Monday to see if we can find a train, because we haven't had much luck with trains lately. I haven't really heard any out where I live, so basically we haven't had any lately, so I don't know what's going on, but I'm hoping nothing is going wrong, because otherwise I don't know what's going to happen. But I'll keep you all updated. Smiley, actually, I know that he's enjoying the fact of the bed, because when he would lay on the bed, he'd be all curled up like a cat would, and he would just lay there for hours. The reason why I kind of have a problem trying to, do what I do is because when it comes to, Smiley, what kind of, bugs me is because I kind of feel like I have a problem trying to feed him because, you know, I don't know what kind of treats he can still have.
They're just soft.
I mean, he'll eat cat crunchies. I don't know how he survives doing that without hurting his mouth, but I'm very surprised, Jenny. I really am. 'Cause you know, he's a handsome guy and he's so special. You know?
Mm-hmm.
He'll be fine. I know Smiley can have tuna, though. Because, you know, it's made from fish.
Mm-hmm.
And fish is good for them. I feel like that's what I should have been feeding him his whole life was tuna.
Cat food is just fine.
Yeah, but it's feeding tuna for him for breakfast.
I'm sure he likes that too.
Yeah, I should have been feeding him that all along instead of giving him moist. But I just let Daddy do the feeding because I'm clueless these days. If you know where I'm coming from.
Yeah, but he's doing good now, so
Yeah. I mean, next month is his birthday. He's gonna be 18, so we'll see what that brings. And also, Daddy's birthday is next month too. I just don't know what. I want to give him something besides just a card. Like, I don't know. Maybe I should take him out for lunch. Maybe.
good idea.
Well, only if he has the time and we have the money, or else we can't. So it's just what it is, Jennifer.
Okay, next month. So you have to save up a little bit.
Yeah. Hoping that maybe by next month or towards the end of the summer I'll have a job.
It's a great goal. You're getting there.
Mm-hmm.
Just a couple more weeks to get through that class.
Oh yeah. I've got a meeting tomorrow, so
Okay.
I'm gonna see if maybe we can I'm gonna ask her if we could try and get through 3 sessions. Because I basically really wanna, yeah. Hey, what's up everybody? So as you can hear, there is a train going through and we are basically right now at the stop and go light, waiting for it to turn green, and then we're gonna get ourselves down by the tracks where the zoo is, and then we're gonna watch it from there, and I'll videotape every step of the way. Hey there, everybody. So we pretty much saw a train. I videotaped it for all of you to see. And now I'm on my way to Dairy Queen to quickly get an ice cream. And then afterwards, I'm going to be heading home. And I will show you every step of the way. So are we still meeting next Monday?
Mm-hmm. Yep. I don't think there's anything coming up that way we couldn't meet.
Yeah.
I'll let you know if anything comes up.
There it is. You gonna get one?
No.
Well, you said you were rather toasty, so maybe you should.
I don't need ice cream today.
I do. I'm a girl who needs ice cream today, and yeah. Not a whole lot going on at Taco John's today, to be totally honest with you. Can you believe that?
They're at Dairy Queen.
Hey everybody, so I just got done at Dairy Queen and I got a chocolate ice cream cone, medium size, and I'm gonna taste it. And it's still really good and creamy. I recommend Dairy Queen because their ice cream is so smooth and creamy. And it's a good day today to get ice cream. Hey there everybody. I hope you enjoyed today's video with Bianca's Fun Adventures. I just got myself home and I'm with my kitty cat Smiley. So I appreciate you watching and I will see you next Monday. Bye.